Good evening and welcome back to another nightly news broadcast brought to you by Weazel News. I'm John Decker, and tonight we'll be covering car thefts, a Newcomer motorcycle club, and the death of a local woman nobody cared about. Car thieves have become a problem in the city. The citizens of Los Santos wait patiently for police and insurance companies to respond. After tracking down and speaking with the two new founding members of the Lost MC, we sat down to get to know the newest motorcycle club in the city.
I'm Vice President Cletus Bocephus.
Alright, and you are again?
President. My name's Thomas.
You guys get into mechanic work at all around the city? Or are you looking to?
We will
I'm
be.
looking into. Not sure about him.
To clarify on that, we are going to be setting up a mechanic shop up in Sandy Shores.
After a friendly interview with the Lost MC, they left us with these parting words.
Well, the name is The Lost.
I'm pissed drunk and I can't see shit.
The body of a local woman was found laying in the street earlier this week, and while nobody seems to care, I'm reporting on it anyways. Look at her get run over. Well, that's all for us tonight. We thank you for being with us once again on Weazel News. I'm John Decker, signing off.